Shui'an controls water, the river is clear and the sea is calm. Architecture is fluid music that is steeped in history. Music is fluid architecture, which introduced modern elements. Water conservancy architecture promotes the beneficial and removes the harmful to benefit all the beings. Shui'an controls water, the river is clear and the sea is calm. It's Anhui Shui'an Construction Group Company Limited that works miracles. Penetrates the market in Yangtze River and Huai River Plain and goes global. By harnessing the Huai River, Anhui Shui'an Construction Group Company Limited has developed into a large enterprise group with a registered capital of RMB 100 odd million and annual output value of RMB 5 billion. It is worth mentioning it gained Grade 1 General Contractor for Water Conservancy and Hydropower Project, Grade 1 General Contractor for Building Construction Project, and Grade 1 General Contractor for Municipal Engineering Project, Grade 1 Specialty Subcontracting for Fire Control Facility Project, Grade 1 Specialty Subcontracting for MEC Installation Project, Grade 1 Specialty Subcontracting for Steel Structure Project, Grade 2 General Contractor for Highway Engineering Project, Grade 2 Specialty Subcontracting for Highway Subgrades Project, Grade 2 Specialty Subcontracting for Highway Foundation Project, Grade 2 Specialty Subcontracting for Highway Infrastructure Construction Project, Grade 2 Specialty Subcontracting for Afforestation Project, and International Contracting for Construction. Our company won honorary titles such as National Outstanding Construction Unit, National Outstanding Water Conservancy Enterprises, and China Class AAA Credit Enterprises, Credible Enterprises for honoring contracts and safeguarding integrity, and National User Satisfied Installation Enterprises. Anhui Shui'an Construction Group Company Limited enters on the Yangtze River and the Huai River Basin, radiates to China and goes global. A mutual development. Individual strength is limited, but teamwork works miracles. Enjoy sunshine in East China Sea. Endure sandstorm in West China. Appreciate ice and snow world in North China. Admire flower beauty in South China. Our staff worked hard across China. Anhui Shui'an Construction Group Company Limited makes the most of the multidisciplinary elites and builds a professional team. Among it, 70% of staff obtained associate degree or above, and there are 200 odd employees who obtained senior or intermediate professional title, 300 odd national certified architects, and 100 odd certified cost engineers and certified safety engineers. Shui'an staff engenders enthusiasm, seeks for excellence, and makes a contribution to society. Impel industry and promote harmony. Build dams to control flood, erect bridges to cross natural valleys, construct buildings to benefit human beings, pave roads to run through mountains. Anhui Shui'an Construction Group Company Limited specializes in water engineering and has accomplished achievements in the fields such as municipal engineering, building construction, road traffic, firefighting engineering, afforestation, and MEC installation. Our group has developed 8 provincial construction methods such as slurry balance pipe and large steel arch gate installation. Over the past years, it has carried out over 1,000 projects and made a great contribution to society. Surmount difficulties and win glory. Anhui Shui'an Construction Group Company Limited has constructed lots of masterpiece buildings and gained in popularity. Our projects won honors such as Luban Award, Zhan Tianyu Award, and Dayu Award. gained reputation in Asia. Fuziling Reservoir Dam is reputed to the first dam in Asia. Magnificent buildings soar into the sky, enrailing Hotel and Swan Bay Garden. Fly to Spain north and south and cross Natural Valley, Hefei Qianshan Road when Huangshan Cup. Watergate controls waters and benefits human being. Anhui Linhuaigang flood control projects when Luban Award. Large airport project, Shanghai Pudong International Airport Auxiliary Project. Through Fire is ranked #1 in Anhui Province, Hefei Huizhou Avenue when Luban Award. It is worth mentioning one Tom Road in Anhui Province and two Tom Road in China win the honor. Clarify sewage and recycle, reclaim water. Hefei Jiaocangfang sewage treatment plant treats 100,000 tons of sewage per day. Ship log ensures successful navigation. Linhuaigang ship log when Luban Award. Rainbow appears in the sky and adds beauty to Guangzhou City. Guangzhou Olympic Sports Center overpass. Built new city by means of capital operation. Anhui Shui'an Construction Group Company Limited invested RMB 1.1 billion in the construction of Lai'an County New City. Have the whole world in view, compete in the global market. Anhui Shui'an Construction Group Company Limited is qualified to sign contract for overseas construction project. In recent years, Anhui Shui'an adhered to the development strategy of going global, actively participated in the bidding for international construction project and successfully contracted to building various engineering projects in multiple countries, which developed the market, built up the team, obtained benefits, and strengthened the friendship. The water conservancy project of Anhui Shui'an ensures stable years, despite drought or excessive rain in Kazakhstan. The house building project of Anhui Shui'an provides the resident of Libya with plenty of house to live in. The environmental protection project of Anhui Shui'an makes Equatorial Guinea have green grass and blue sky. The highway project of Anhui Shui'an helps the vehicles in Nigeria run faster. The water supply project of Anhui Shui'an makes the people of Congo and Ghana never forget where their happiness comes from. Specialize in water conservancy and boost prospect. Anhui Shui'an Construction Group Company Limited enters on Wanjiang region and radiates to other cities. When Huangshan Cup and Luban World constructs log station, bridges, and convent and roads across China and controls water to benefit society. Our group builds up business, learn from Dayu and Li Bing, gathers talents and works miracles. Our staff forges ahead, comes up with innovations, sticks to the development guidelines of laying solid foundation, adjusting structure, effecting transportation, and increasing profitability, and strives to create annual output value of over RMB 10 billion and build a large group integrating design, construction, and capital operation.